good. That's good.
That is so sweet, Joshua. That is so sweet, Sam.
That's good.
Sam, are you going to give Joshua a kiss?
That's good.
What are you doing, Sam?
You're painting a track.
Are you reading? Aren't you going to give Josh a kiss?
The end.
Oh, say goodnight to Josh.
Can I just?
Give him a hug and kiss.
No.
There you go.
Give me a kiss on my nose.